So what's happened, Kerry? You hurt your low back.
I threw my back out this morning. I went to lift up a very heavy item, probably not in the best position, and my back went.
And turn around this way. Where are you feeling it exactly?
Lower back, and then it's like radiating down into my knees.
Right. So is it across the whole back?
Yeah.
And if you had to use the tip of one finger, where would you point to the pain? So very central, yeah?
Yeah.
So often that's the base of the spine, that's the disc. So when is your pain worse? With bending, lifting, sitting?
When I get up in the morning, it's pretty stiff.
Worse in the mornings?
Yeah, and if I've been sitting.
Yeah, for too long.
My hips, my lower back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that sounds like a classic irritation on the disc. So you probably have like a micro tearing to some degree. We don't know how much exactly, but depending on what kind of pain are you in? What's the worst pain out of 10?
When it went this morning, it probably went up to like a 6.
Yep.
But I do have a high pain threshold.
And it feels a bit better with movement?
Yeah, now it's back down to a 3, but I can still feel it.
It can fluctuate a little bit based on how active you are, how mobile. So, okay, have a seat. Let's check you over. So just check for the mobility. Tender through here?
Yeah.
Compared to here?
Yeah, that's not as tender.
So it's just that bottom disc. Check the SI joints. They're definitely not as stiff. So we're going to target that L5 disc. So we'll get you onto your right side. Comfy there? So even when the spine is, or the disc is sprained like that, we should be able to do quite a comfortable adjustment, a pain-free adjustment. You comfy there, Kerry?
Yeah.
Just try and relax. That pressure's okay?
Yeah.
Just let that flow. Good. Good. Nice one. Just keep breathing. We may or may not get much more from this side. One more. Yep. What's that?
Oh, yes, a little bit there.
Yeah, a little bit. Good. So take your time, come on up. Have a little walk around. Get a bit of movement in there.
That feels better already.
Often there is an instant change. But just keep walking a little bit. But now you want to just build on that with gentle walking, those little exercises that I give you. A little bit backwards, side to side.
Yeah, like that.
That's it.
It felt really like stiff before, and now it's like,
Perfect. So, yeah, there's an instant improvement in movement on the joint level and also on a neurological level. So how your brain perceives that area is already a little bit different.
Yeah.
And then you can build on that with movement and stretching. And that's what kind of aids the healing process. So it's all part of it. It's pretty cool.
Thank you. It's amazing.
Pleasure, pleasure. Thank you.
Ta-da!